Welcome back, everyone. We're diving into something pretty cool today. Prompt engineering.
Yeah, prompt engineering, it's becoming a must-have skill.
Absolutely it is, with AI tools like ChatGPT popping up everywhere.
Yeah.
You really got to know how to, well, talk to them to get the most out of them.
It's like, having a supercar but no driving skills.
Yeah, totally. Prompt engineering, it's the key to unlocking that power. It's how you get AI to actually give you what you want.
Exactly.
And if you want to get a better understanding of all this, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more deep dives just like this. You can also hit that like button and share this video, spread the knowledge. And, don't forget, leave a comment saying prompt engineering and you'll get a complete guide. Absolutely free.
And speaking of taking things to the next level, have you heard about Dreamsoft Technologies Canada?
Oh yeah, those guys are great.
They offer a whole range of services: content writing, email marketing, landing pages, SEO, YouTube, and Google Ads.
Everything, basically. You can find a link to their website down in the bio. But for now, let's get back to prompt engineering. What is it, really?
Basically, it's learning to speak the language of AI, crafting those instructions, the prompts that guide AI models like ChatGPT. It's more than just giving commands. It's about setting the stage for the AI to do its best work.
Okay, I'm getting it. So it's about being specific.
Very much so.
I remember the video used that cool example of coding a palindrome, just asking AI to do it versus, prompting it to write it efficiently.
Yeah. And that's the key. Refining those prompts is essential. It's an iterative process. You start with an idea, try a prompt, look at what the AI comes up with, and then refine your prompt based on those results.
I like that. So you can use it to craft marketing copy that really hits the mark with a specific audience, right?
Precisely. And reports tailored to your exact needs. You name it.
And that leads us to creating a killer prompt. The video breaks it down into 4 parts: context, instruction, input data, and output indicator. That example about sentiment analysis for an OTT platform was pretty eye-opening.
Right. Imagine you've got your streaming service and you're trying to understand what people are saying, like, is it good feedback, bad feedback? You can train the AI to figure that out to see if the sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral.
So it's all about giving specific instructions context, not just overwhelming it with data.
Absolutely.
And the video gave a handy checklist too: goal, format, role, audience, context, examples, style, scope, and restrictions. I particularly like the emphasis on using examples to train the AI.
Think of it like this. You show the AI different pictures. You say, this is a cat, this is a dog, this is a bird. You're teaching it. In the sentiment analysis example, you're feeding it feedback with different sentiments so it gets a feel for the nuances of language.
Makes perfect sense. Then there are those 5 prompt patterns the video talked about: persona, audience persona, visualization generator, recipe, and template. All very interesting, though. Some sound kind of technical.
I know, but they're actually pretty straightforward. Take persona, for instance. It's like turning the AI into an expert, Need marketing advice. You prompt it to be a marketing guru. Coding troubles. Prompt it to be a seasoned developer.
Like having a team of experts at your fingertips.
Right.
And then there's audience persona. That's all about tailoring output to a specific audience.
Exactly. You wouldn't explain something complex to a 10-year-old the same way you would to a college student.
Good point.
Yeah.
What about this visualization generator?
Oh, that one's great for anyone dealing with data. You want to analyze trends, prompt the AI to make you some charts and graphs. It's all about making data easier to digest.
And for tasks with multiple steps, the video mentions a recipe pattern.
Right. Think travel itineraries, project plans, that sort of thing. You break the task down, and the AI helps you put it all together.
And last but not least, the template pattern.
Perfect for structuring complex outputs, reports, scripts, code, you name it. You give it a structure and the AI sticks to it, keeps everything neat and organized.
Pretty handy, these patterns, like cheat codes for AI. But the video also warned us about some potential pitfalls.
Oh, definitely. A big one is being too vague with your prompts.
Like trying to give directions without saying where you're going.
Exactly. The AI is left clueless, you get useless results. And then there's the issue of bias. You don't want to unintentionally steer the AI in the wrong direction.
So being super specific is key.
Absolutely. Your goal, audience, format, restrictions, all of that. And don't forget to test those prompts thoroughly.
It's all about tweaking and refining until you get it just right. Now, we've covered a lot, and it's clear that prompt engineering is a pretty powerful skill to have in this age of AI. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're enjoying this deep dive. We've got a bunch of resources to help you master prompt engineering. And don't forget, comment prompt engineering on this video, and you'll get a complete guide for free.
And if you're looking for ways to leverage AI in your business, take a look at DreamSoft Technologies Canada.
They're the experts when it comes to using AI for everything from content creation to optimizing your online presence. Check out the link to their website in the show notes. But we're not done with prompt engineering just yet. It's such a versatile tool used in so many different areas.
Absolutely. Content creation, customer support, data analysis, code generation, research, translation, you name it. And we're seeing some really exciting applications that are solving real-world problems.
I know, it's incredible. AI-powered chatbots providing 24/7 support. Or using AI to create synthetic data to train even smarter AI models. It's mind-boggling.
We're just at the tip of the iceberg, really. Prompt engineering is evolving so quickly, new techniques, new applications all the time. It's a constantly evolving field, always something new to discover. And the video we're talking about, it actually goes into some really advanced prompting techniques, takes it all up a notch.
Oh, advanced. I'm all ears. They mention these things. Zero-shot, few-shot, and chain-of-thought prompting. Sound pretty intense.
They do, but they're more straightforward than you might think. Let's start with zero-shot prompting. It's like giving the AI a direct instruction, no hand-holding.
Straight to the point. No training wheels.
Exactly. You say, summarize this article, and the AI is expected to just do it based on what it already knows.
Gotcha.
Now, few-shot prompting, it's a bit more supportive.
Okay, so we give it a little help.
Yeah, you give it a few examples, show it what you're looking for. Like you show the AI a few summaries and say, something like this, please.
So it learns from examples. Cool. What about this chain of thought prompting? That one sounds especially interesting.
Chain of thought prompting, it's for more complex tasks, logical tasks. You're essentially guiding the AI through a thinking process, step by step, like solving a puzzle.
Teaching it to think critically.
Exactly. You give it examples of how to break down a problem, and arrive at a solution. And the cool thing is, the video actually shows you how it's done with the demo using ChatGPT.
I love that. Seeing these techniques in action makes it all click.
Totally. Theory's great, but actually seeing it applied in real life, that's invaluable. You understand the nuances, how to really use them effectively.
And for anyone who wants to delve deeper into these advanced techniques, I highly recommend checking out Great Learning's YouTube channel.
Absolutely. They've got a ton of great resources, including a complete guide on prompt engineering. You can get it for free. Just leave a comment on the video saying prompt engineering.
Don't forget to subscribe to their channel while you're at it. They cover a lot of ground: AI, machine learning, data science, cloud computing.
The great way to stay up to date with the latest in tech. And of course, if you want to put all this knowledge to work in your business, DreamSoft Technologies Canada is a great place to start.
Absolutely. They can help you apply AI to all aspects of your business. From content creation to marketing to data analysis, you'll find a link to their website in the show notes. Now, as we start wrapping up our deep dive into prompt engineering, let's take a minute to review what we've learned.
We've learned that it's a powerful skill, becoming increasingly essential. It's about understanding AI, crafting those instructions to get the results you need.
We explored the core components of a good prompt, those 5 useful prompt patterns, and even some advanced techniques like zero-shot, few-shot, and chain-of-thought prompting. That was a lot. But the potential is huge, really.
And the great thing is, anyone can learn it with practice and experimentation.
Totally. The more you play with it, the better you'll become at guiding AI, making it do amazing things. But before we let you go, we want to leave you with a thought-provoking question.
Think about what you do, work, or personal projects. What are the challenges you face? Those things that feel just out of reach.
Yeah, those roadblocks. Because prompt engineering, it might just be the key to breaking through them. It's about, finding the right way to talk to the AI, to nudge it towards your goals.
Imagine taking those tedious tasks and just automating them, or creating content in seconds, or analyzing data easily. That's the power of prompt engineering.
And this is just the start, really. The more you experiment with it, the more you'll realize how powerful it is. It's like learning a secret code, unlocking a whole new world of possibilities with AI.
And as AI keeps advancing prompt engineering, it's going to become even more important. That link connecting human intention and what machines can do.
So, are you ready to jump in? We highly recommend checking out the resources we mentioned. Subscribe to Great Learning's YouTube channel. They've got tons of tutorials and guides, all free. And don't forget to grab their complete prompt engineering guide. Just leave a comment on that video saying prompt engineering.
And if you're ready to take it to the next level, apply all this to your business, DreamSoft Technologies Canada can help you out.
They're the pros at leveraging AI, whether it's content creation, marketing, or even customer support. You'll find their website link in the show notes. But for now, keep those prompts sharp, keep that curiosity alive, and keep exploring the world of prompt engineering. It's an exciting journey.